Assalamu alaikum ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 16, and today we will learn the rule of Tafkheem in the Holy Quran. What is Tafkheem in the Holy Quran? We will learn in this lesson with example. Before starting our lesson, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson I will teach you what is Tafkheem in the Holy Quran. What is the condition for letter Ra is pronounced in a thick or heavy voice? What is Tafkheem in the Holy Quran? What is the definition of Tafkheem? The meaning of Tafkheem is to pronounce any letter in a thick tone or heavy voice. The definition of Tafkheem in the Holy Quran. The meaning of Tafkheem is to pronounce any letter in a heavy voice or thick voice. What is the condition for letter Ra is pronounced in heavy voice or thick voice? When the letter Ra has two zabar or two pesh on it, then it will be pronounced in a thick voice or heavy voice. In the Holy Quran, if the letter Ra has two zabar or two pesh on it, then the letter Ra will be pronounced in a heavy voice or thick voice. This is two zabar and this is two pesh. Let's see the examples of Tafkheem. The letter Ra has two zabar and the letter Ra has two pesh. Ra will be pronounced with heavy voice or thick voice. How do we pronounce? Let's learn with spelling. Hamza Jeem Zabar Aj, Ra to Zabar Run, Ajran, Ajran. Hamza Jeem Zabar Aj, Ra to Peshrun, Ajrun, Ajrun. These are the examples of Tafkheem in the Holy Quran. The letter Ra has two zabar or two pesh on it or above it, then Ra will be pronounced heavy voice or thick voice. Repeat after me. Ajron, 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 Ajron. Next example is the letter Ra has two pesh. It will be pronounced with heavy voice or thick voice. Ajrun, Ajrun, Ajrun. In both examples, Ra will be pronounced heavy voice or thick voice. These are the examples of Tafkheem in the Holy Quran. Thanks for watching. In next lesson, inshallah, we will learn more examples of Tafkheem. Kindly share this video and visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.